Hi, welcome to the quiz. You can answer along on quizalto.com, all for free. The exact URL of this quiz will be in the notes down below. Let's get started. Good luck. What is the benefit of choosing no upfront payment for AWS Saving Plans? Higher overall discount. Ability to change plan type. Faster resource provisioning. Lower initial cost. The no upfront option for AWS Saving Plans allows you to start saving without any initial payment, making it easier to manage cash flow despite lower overall savings. What happens if AWS introduces a new service during your saving plan term? It may be added to eligible services. Your plan automatically covers it. You must upgrade to include it. It's never added to current plans. If AWS introduces a new service, it may be added to the list of compute saving plan eligible services, but this is at AWS's discretion. In AWS, which saving plan best suits a lift and shift migration? Compute Saving Plans. EC2 Instance Saving Plans. Lambda Saving Plans. SageMaker Saving Plans. For a lift and shift migration where you're moving existing workloads to similar EC2 instances, EC2 Instance Saving Plans are the best fit. In AWS Saving Plans, what does tenancy refer to? The number of instances covered. Whether instances run on shared or dedicated hardware. The duration of the saving plan. The AWS region used. In the context of EC2 Instance Saving Plans, tenancy refers to whether the instances run on shared hardware or single-tenant dedicated hardware. What is the maximum discount available with AWS Compute Saving Plans? 66%. 50%. 72%. 80%. Compute Saving Plans offer discounts of up to 66% on eligible compute usage, balancing significant savings with flexibility across services. In AWS, what aligns saving plans with sustainability goals? No direct alignment. Using in carbon-neutral regions. Choosing high-efficiency instances. Opting for dedicated hosts. There's no direct alignment between saving plans and sustainability. However, using resources in AWS's carbon-neutral regions can support green goals. In AWS, what happens to saving plan discounts during maintenance events? Discounts still apply. Discounts are paused. You pay on-demand rates. You receive additional credits. Even during AWS maintenance events that might affect your resources, your saving plan discounts still apply to eligible replaced instances. What happens if you want to change your AWS saving plan type midterm? You can upgrade but not downgrade. You can switch for a fee. You cannot change the plan type. You must buy a new plan alongside. AWS Saving Plans cannot be changed in type once purchased. To switch, you'd need to keep your current plan and purchase a new one of the desired type. What happens to your AWS Saving Plan if you close your account? The plan is sold to another customer. You are billed for remaining commitment. The plan transfers to a new account. AWS waives the remaining cost. If you close your AWS account, you are billed for the remaining commitment of your saving plan, as it's a contractual obligation. What is the maximum term length for AWS saving plans? 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 1 year. AWS offers saving plans with term lengths of either 1 year or 3 years, with the 3-year term being the maximum available. Which AWS service helps automate saving plan purchases? AWS Budgets, AWS Cost Explorer, AWS CloudFormation, AWS Auto Scaling. AWS does not currently offer a service to automate saving plan purchases. Recommendations are provided in Cost Explorer, but purchases are manual. Which AWS saving plan offers discounts for Windows-based EC2 instances? Only in specific regions. None. Windows instances aren't eligible. Any applicable plan. Only Windows-specific plans. Any applicable saving plan can offer discounts for Windows-based EC2 instances, just as they do for Linux instances. What is not a reason to choose no upfront saving plans in AWS? To manage cash flow. To avoid large initial costs. To maximize overall savings. To start saving immediately. Choosing no upfront saving plans is not a way to maximize overall savings. While it helps manage cash flow, all upfront plans offer the greatest total discount. What is a drawback of longer-term AWS saving plans? No option for all upfront payment. Lower overall discount. Less flexibility for changing needs. Restricted to specific regions. Longer-term AWS saving plans offer greater discounts but provide less flexibility if your compute needs change significantly over time. Which AWS saving plan is most suitable for containerized applications? Compute saving plans. SageMaker saving plans. EC2 instance saving plans. Lambda saving plans. Compute saving plans are most suitable for containerized applications as they cover ECS and EKS services, providing flexibility for container deployments. Which AWS service combination is best suited for compute saving plans? Lambda and API Gateway. EC2 and RDS. ECS and EKS. SageMaker and Comprehend. ECS and EKS are best suited for compute saving plans as both are container orchestration services covered by this plan type. Which payment option is not available for AWS saving plans? Pay-as-you-go. No upfront. All upfront. Partial upfront. AWS saving plans offer 3 payment options: all upfront, partial upfront, and no upfront. Pay-as-you-go is not a saving plan option as it doesn't involve a commitment. Which scenario is least suitable for AWS Saving Plans? Short-term project with fixed end date. Steady-state database workloads. Consistent data processing tasks. Long-running web application. A short-term project with a fixed end date is least suitable for AWS Saving Plans, as the 1 or 3 year commitments may extend beyond the project's life. Which AWS Saving Plan is best for workloads that may shift between regions? Compute Saving Plans. Lambda Saving Plans. SageMaker Saving Plans. EC2 Instance Saving Plans. Compute saving plans are ideal for workloads that may shift between regions, as they apply across all AWS regions, providing maximum flexibility. What is a limitation of AWS SageMaker saving plans? They only apply to training jobs. They require upfront payment. They don't cover other AWS ML services. They are region-specific. SageMaker saving plans are specific to SageMaker and don't cover other AWS machine learning services like Comprehend or Rekognition. Which AWS service is specifically covered by its own saving plan? AWS Glue. Amazon Rekognition. Amazon Comprehend. Amazon SageMaker. AWS offers a specific saving plan for Amazon SageMaker, providing discounts on SageMaker instance usage for machine learning workloads. What is not a valid strategy for unused AWS saving plan commitment? Running additional workloads. Selling to another AWS customer. Allowing expiration. Modifying instance types. You can't sell your unused saving plan commitment to another AWS customer. Instead, consider modifying workloads or running additional tasks to utilize it. What is the primary benefit of AWS saving plans in terms of cost management? Providing significant discounts on AWS compute usage. Eliminating data transfer costs. Waiving storage fees. Offering free tier access to all AWS services. AWS saving plans offer substantial discounts on compute usage, helping customers save money by committing to a consistent amount of compute usage over a 1 or 3 year term. What type of AWS saving plan offers the highest discount potential? Lambda saving plans. Compute saving plans. EC2 Instance Saving Plans. SageMaker Saving Plans. EC2 Instance Saving Plans provide the highest discount potential, up to 72%, but they are also the least flexible as they are specific to instance family, region, and tenancy. What tool does AWS provide to estimate saving plan break-even point? AWS Well-Architected Tool. AWS Pricing Calculator. AWS Cost Explorer. AWS Total Cost of Ownership Calculator. AWS Cost Explorer offers features to estimate when your saving plan will break even, helping you understand the long-term cost benefits. And that's a wrap. Thanks to everyone who participated. Remember, you can answer along on quizalto.com, where you can keep track of your progress and find much more quizzes. We hope you had a fun and challenging time. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more. Hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.